Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be making some saltfish fritters. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Start by soaking the salted codfish overnight. If you're short on time, boil it for about 15 to 20 minutes. While my codfish is cooking, I am going to start preparing my ingredients. I have here tomato, onion, scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, sweet pepper, and thyme. Once the codfish is fully cooked, rinse it thoroughly. Once cooled, flake it into small pieces like this. In a large mixing bowl, add your flaked saltfish, onions, scallion, thyme, add pepper, bell pepper, and tomato. Season with black pepper and salt if necessary. I had some Maggi season, but remember the saltfish have its own flavor. Combine your all-purpose flour, then mix everything very well. Heat about an inch of vegetable oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, fry until golden brown, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. They should look crispy and delicious like this. Drain the fritters and paper towels to remove excess oil. Serve them warm alone or with your favorite sauce. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Share your thoughts in the comment below. I'd love to hear how your fritters turned out. Until next time, keep cooking with love and flavor. Bye.